In front of me is ZTE Blade V2020, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Accounts, and as you can see currently we do have one account here, it is HardReset.Info, and if you want to remove it, just tap on Remove Account. Just be aware that this operation will remove all data connected with your account, which are messages, contacts, and any other user data. Tap on Remove Account if you truly want to do it, click on OK to confirm, and then use pattern or your fingerprint to confirm the selection. And that's it. As you can see, this account is no longer connected with this ZTE. If you want to add another Google account, or if you would like to log in for the first time, you need to reach Accounts as well, tap on Add Account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then pick Google. Here, just provide your email or phone number, and tap on Next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on Next. And here we can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. To do it smoothly, click on each of them and read the details. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just click on I agree. And actually that's it. Just click on Accept to confirm your selection, and your Google account has been added and it is connected with this ZTE, so you can smoothly use it. And actually that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.